In airport security system, how system engineering can be applied. So we discussed so many things. What we are saying, the first thing is that we have to do a holistic approach. End to end, every component should be analyzed as a part of the single system. Then you should visualize the life cycles, right from the conceptualization stage to disposal. Then defining the problem to implementing the problem. There are various aspects of the system engineering and system approach we discussed. In airport security system, how it is applied. The development and integration of the airport security system involve system engineering principle where different subsystems are involved. Screening system is there, surveillance system is there, access control is there. These all systems together only provide you airport security system. So surveillance system works on its own without any interconnection. Our screening system works without any interconnection. The security experts or security managers will not be in a position to ensure the airport security. So all these things should be designed in such a way, all should be integrated and maintained to ensure overall security. And this each subsystem interacts with each other to create a cohesive and a functional system. So we are not discussing too much detail about each case. That is possible in a longer discussion. But you can try to appreciate why this system engineering should be applied in such a massive system. So this is just, if you have the basic fundamental of system engineering project management, it will give a sea change in your work and it will save a lot of time. Second example I can give, air traffic management system. Air traffic management system is not a single system. Again, it involves so many sensor integration. So you can think of either in the communication system alone or automation system. If you take automation system, you will have to involve so many integration of sensors. Though I have listed radar, you can visualize so many sensors. And also satellite-based navigation system. Suppose you are going to be sure that in next few years, we will be bringing all satellite-based navigation system. Whatever you integrate the present ILS system in the automation screen, how you are going to integrate those systems. You should have a visual vision now itself. Then only your present system will cater those requirements. And how we will do automated air traffic management system to ensure safe and efficient air traffic management. So though it is been listed in the 3 lines, it is a very big subject and it is a most interesting subject we can discuss even for days, right from conceptualization to end. Then third one is air traffic control communication system. Communication system is not a very simple system. System engineering is used to design and implement communication system that allow air traffic controllers to communicate effectively. See why we are saying system engineering is used to design. If you see, communication system is not just a VHF system which is kept in one particular airport. Nowadays we are having different type of mediums to connect those VHF. We switch on the VHF from sitting at Chennai, we switch on the VHF at Bellary. Sitting at Delhi, we may switch on VHF at some other place. How you visualize the system? You should have a long-term view, and this entire components you should integrate and visualize. Then only you can go for the air traffic and communication system in a very large, means a huge coverage of VHF based system. If you want to implement, you have to do all these things. So what I want to emphasize here is that though we are doing, we need to do little bit more systematically. With we should have a system engineering checklist, workbook. We should have a case study experience. Then we should start this project. It will give a sea change in our approach. Then next is airport ground handling system. This we discussed with example also. Ground handling system involves multiple subsystems. Baggage handling, aircraft towing, fueling, system engineering is a critical here also. So we all this when the aircraft is come to bay, when the aircraft is parked, when the baggage is ready to be loaded, when the aircraft from the aircraft baggage can be offloaded, then from there to your conveyor belt, how it will come. Once the conveyor belt reaches to the particular area, which conveyor belt will be assigned. So all these things should be are integrated and work seamlessly in the airport operation. If this is not, this information and technologies are not integrated, definitely there will be a congestion and delay of the passengers. The runway safety system. Like this, we can say so many systems we can say in our airport, where this entire system engineering system approach concepts are very much required to be used. For example, the design of runway safety system includes automated warning system, requires system engineering principle to integrate weather data, runway monitoring, and real-time communication between aircraft and ground control. So there are many systems in each and every place we integrate. So ultimately, these systems are also integrated with the ATM system. So how do we do? Each system we should not view as a single system. We need to see the whole boundaries. Then aviation safety management system. In the beginning, I told with the present year's SMS framework, we are very much using system engineering. But at the same time, in the contrary, I can also tell this SMS is also needs a Pakka system engineering concept. Why? Because we need to see entire system components during the initial hazard identification, risk assessment, and all other reporting mechanism in the beginning conceptual stage onwards. Then finally, integrated airport management system. You can say AOCC or whatever it may be. So what we do a lot of integrated management system that combine passenger services, baggage handling, even flight scheduling into a one cohesive system where entire stakeholders sit and take a quick decision.